Stock market or rental property? By the end of the video, you'll know exactly which investment is for you. We help beginner real estate investors buy their first home with clear, actionable advice and free software tools with every video. Before I bought my first investment property, I always had this question: stocks or rental properties? Which one is a better investment? So I decided to answer the question way different than I've ever heard it answered before. Here's 7 questions to ask yourself based on your behavior and who you are to finally figure out if you should be investing in rental properties or the stock market. I created a form that you could follow along this video with, and it'll email you a personal answer on what you should invest in. Come on, let's go to the computer. Let's go. Have you had a stable source of income for the past 2 years? Yes or no? If you answered yes, great. You'll be able to qualify for a mortgage easily and you'll have no problem buying your first rental property. If you answered no, you either need to find someone to partner with so they can get a mortgage under their name, or you could just easily invest in the stock market today. Do you make over $84,201 a year? If you answered yes, then you'll be being taxed at a 24% tax bracket. Break it. What is good with you, Antonio? If you answered yes, then you'll be getting taxed at 24% of your income. You will probably love the real estate investing benefits of tax breaks, where you'll be able to save money on taxes every year. So rental properties might be good for you. If you don't make $84,200 if you answered no, then that means you don't make $84,201 a year. If you don't, you're probably not getting taxed as high and you wouldn't care as much about the tax benefits. So real estate investing might not be as important to you as someone who's getting taxed higher. Are you good at networking and meeting the right people? If you are good at networking people and you answered yes, then real estate investing might be for you, because you need to network to find members of your team all the time. You need to find new investors, lawyers, agents, contractors, you name it. You need a team, and networking is a huge part of that. If you answered no, you aren't good at networking, that's fine. Just invest in the stock market. It's way easier. All you got to do is pull out your phone, download Robinhood, and then buy stocks, and you'll never have to talk to anyone again. Do you have at least $20,000 to invest? Yes or no? If you answered yes, then you probably have enough money to get started in the cheaper markets in the US. There you can probably buy a home for about $20K if you get a very cheap down payment on a loan. If you answered no, you'll probably need to start saving a little bit more, so this way you can get enough money for a down payment on a home. This way you can buy that first rental property. So for now, you probably should stick to stocks if you don't have $20K invested. I am investing because I hate my job or working for someone else, and I want to be out of my job and on my own fast. Or so I can have a comfortable retirement because I want to enjoy what I do and my job. If you answered that you want to be out of your job, welcome to the club. 70% of people dislike their job. Real estate investing and rental property investing gives you an option to be out of your job in 5 to 15 years. 5 years if you're really aggressive and you really hate your job, or 15 years if you want to take it slower. If you like your job, then just take that extra money that you have at the end of every month that you've been saving and invest it in the stock market, and then you'll have plenty of money at retirement if you never want to leave and you just want to work for the rest of your life. You weirdo. She said she too young, don't want no man, so she gon' call her friends, so that's a plan. Would you rather accept good returns from your investment for zero work, just holding, or work more hours and receive a higher than average return from your investment? If you answered where you want to do zero work and get good returns, then great. The stock market's for you. You can go on to Robinhood and buy a stock and you'll be fine. No work. But if you answer that you're okay with doing the work, then that's fine, because of real estate, you're gonna need to do a little bit of research, a few hours of research here, analyzing deals here, going to see properties, and what that'll lead to is a better long-term investment than the stock market. In terms of cashing out my investment, I want to be able to get my money right away when I sell it, or I am okay with waiting a few months before getting my money to sell it. If you don't mind waiting for your money, then real estate investing is probably for you, because it'll take time for you to get a house ready to sell, then put it on the market, then have people come look at it, then have people make offers, accept offers. Once you take an offer, then you got to go through the contract period. That takes about 60 to 90 days. all of that time adds up and it might be a few months before you get your money. So if you can wait, then rental property investing could be for you. If you answered wanting your money now, that's fine. Just invest in the stock market. Pull out your phone, bust open the Robinhood app, and watch it come all over you. If you followed along with the form this whole time, let me give you a fist pound. Good. So now we head over to our email right here. Should you invest in stocks or rental properties? From your answer, my answer is first rental property. Boom. Watch the video on screen right now if you want to learn how to buy your first real estate investment. I don't know where it is on screen. It's here, there, here, there.